run us a check. Know I got stomped like nigga, who next? Drily game, but I pull up with jets. Yellow got shot, bullets ripped through his chest. And I heard Jacob die with a vest. Minutes look for her, he switched on the set. And I heard Jacob die with a vest. Minutes look for her, he switched on the set. And I don't understand, speak facts. Jim top run, got shots to his back. Bobby ran and got turned to a pack. Like who gon' spend, like come get back. Catch a flock and get put on some shirts. Been awake, we gon' shoot up the hearse. Tell my bitch put the gun in her purse. Niggas don't live what they rap in they verse. Billy thinking he ready to blitz. But the blue grand got cold, got tricked. Millie Rock got beat with a stick and he still ain't get back. He just pulls on the shit. So you know they don't live what they rap. Drily gang, yeah, we know for the packs. Told him free Nazi, soon be back. And we smoking on play, that boy got whacked. Get low, move tactic. Louis hop out, he gon' shoot through the jacket. All the O's on the book need a packet. Smelly got poke, got put in the casket. And I heard Rally ran, he a faggot. He on the book tryna move like a backhead. And I heard Rally ran, he a faggot. He on the book tryna move like a backhead. And I keep me a new chop for the old odds, cause they still on dick. But I keep me an old chop for the new odds, cause they still ain't do shit. Tell them niggas get back cause it's lit. Tell them get back cause we smoke with J-Rip like. Tell them niggas get back cause it's lit. Tell them get back cause we smoke with J-Rip like.
Shoot first, got the top of my head, get the crew hurt. Touch the death through the stock, got to shoot first. Is he dead or alive, gotta reverse. Moving walkie, I'ma pack you. Holler to spray and fuck it up and tattoo. Don't care who you when you get packed through. Didn't even chase him right now, his damn shoes. These bitch niggas really came. Couple shots, we can levitate. Don't talk about the other day, frozen person, and ain't even let it spray. And bitch, we don't hesitate. Back on top, bro, we gon' play today. Let her one watch her win a raid, bro. Through demon, gotta win him anyway. How you smoking those styles, you get my thighs. Smoking J-Rip, he got put in the sky. Shots to his chest and the nigga went by. These niggas cap all they rap shit lies.
Smoking on Tekken, I'm smoking on 13. Long nigga and making it 14. Smoking in the hill when I'm calling the ring. They're clipping the kid with a beat. I take one for the guys in the team. Shit, bad bitches out with the seat. I'm smoking on camera, I'm looking for king. Shit, Baba, I'm on her jeans. Look, CPJ get hit with a hollow. Hop out with me, I'ma follow. Pick that stuff, y'all stay with a vato. Free chop, free taco, bake that else, I'll spin it with Habo. Free chop, free taco, bake that else, I'll spin it with Habo. From the 18 games go way back. Don't spin my black, that's we get flip 2 shots, gon' fuck up and spin it cap. Most of these niggas ain't game back.
Oh, you mention my name? So that means you don't care about life, cause you know how I get. I don't know you suck off my dick, playing Charlie sliding through the night. I be kicking in doors. Get your man the floor before you talk, you better check this hole, cause we need it all. I'ma kick till it's gone, now I feel it when he hit the floor. Bitches like, why I can't get near you? You want that me in LA, shit you. Got a shot, so like, why would I fear you? Test my game to play like I dare you. I didn't put my young boo gon' clear you. Pull that trigger, nigga, probably scared you. And you tough for the gun, I hear you. Until you on the other side of that jail. I ain't tripping, they said what they said. Make sure I so they basically dead. Mask on, they ain't see the drug, do a hit off a bike, my shooter on the pad. I be getting ate up on the rag. But if she wanna fuck, then she got a bag. Pato got the niggas head, teach me how to duck it, cause I got a lag. I don't fuck with nobody, who you gon' get next to? I would never let them know my next. We spinning in stories, can't fuck with no rentals. Dragon tips and knock off his rush. Inside on the back, you know that ain't the best move. Cause somebody got poked every pad. Still go to the cafe for number 13, but that's the J-Rip special. Nigga said he was 15, chased the whole block with a motherfucking BB gun. Well, I was like 13, and oval, and me almost beat. Hey, yo, Leaky, you know what I'm talking about. Still free, Mr. Hook him down, tell him TP. Cause I ain't tryna talk it out. Shooter, I make him hook it out, catch a DV. Where these bitches get tossed around, he was king till he lost his crown. Catch a Fiji, we gon' call him a dolphin now. Bullet shaking his thoughts around, catch a PD. Once I see that he on the ground, know the vibes, I'ma walk him down. She gon' eat me, I got beef with her father now, cause I'm thinking his daughter down. He spinning no, we make a mess. Back on trap on the ox, pulling against the towers. The 40s look like disrespect. Same shit that they drop, gon' put him to back. Supposed to be clean, I'm stepped. Right, but play right left. I'm not far in front of BX. But yes, we just smoking on X. Yes, I be smoking on X, you heard?